AP Showbiz Minute. The royal baby spent his first night at Kensington Palace after making his public debut on Tuesday. Prince William and his wife brought out the new addition to the royal family to meet fans and press outside the St Mary's Hospital in London. The couple drove home to Kensington Palace after the photo call, with William successfully strapping his son into the baby seat. Amanda Bynes has been hospitalised for a mental health evaluation after starting a fire in her driveway. The 27-year-old actress was said to be seen lying outside face up with her trouser legs on fire. She was taken into custody and could be held for 72 hours of observation. Versace's Miami Beach home has gone up for sale. With golden Medusa heads on the gates and a swimming pool inlaid with 24-carat gold tiles, the property has apparently attracted several famous potential buyers. The minimum bid is $25 million for the property, where the designer was shot dead in 1997. This is Hilary Fox with AP Showbiz Minute.